drinking Hennessy now. I hope you see now. Say you don't bust my eyeglass. You don't scatter my plan.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Angel, and today we are making carrot super glowing oil. I already have my carrots, and in fact I already missed everything. I'm sorry I start making the video late, but next time I will start from the beginning. So these are the ingredients I use: extra virgin oil with my carrots, and I have my clinic clear oil, I have my vitamin E tablet or whatever it's called, capsule, sorry, I have my argan oil, and I have my avocado oil. Okay, so these are the oils I use to achieve this. This carrot oil is for all skin type, okay, fair, dark, any color too can use this. It's just to glow and maintain your skin tone, okay. So if you want it to be more active like whitening, you need more ingredients, okay, but this one is simple for all skin type. You can mix your cream with it, you can mix it with your cream, sorry, you can rub it like that. Depends how you want to use your oil, okay. So you can also use it for your face and your body. It's not just the body oil, you can use it both your face and body. So now I'll be putting it in the container because I have people that ordered for it, so I'll be packaging it